Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Canons of taxation. Canons of taxes as per Adam Smith. Equity. A good tax is one which is imposed according to the ability to pay. Tax is equitably distributed. The principle of ability is accepted in modern times as just and equitable. As every person pays according to his ability, there is equality of sacrifice. Economy. Cost of collecting a tax should be small in proportion to the yield. The cost of a tax should not be interpreted only on administrative expenses. If a tax has effect on production or distribution, it is considered costly from the standpoint of the economy as a whole. On the other hand, if a tax has a good effect on the national economy, it is justified even though it yields a small and administrative expenses are high. Certainty. The amount of tax to be paid should be certain. If the amount of tax or the time of payment is left to the whim of tax authority, collector, taxpayer would be put to a lot of trouble and corruption and bribery will follow. Payment of tax should be simple and convenient to buyer. Canons of taxes as per other economists. Besides the above canons of taxation suggested by Adam Smith, canons proposed by other economists are summarized below. Productivity. Produce the sufficient amount of revenue to meet the various expenditure of the government. Net yield of tax should be considered before imposing it, except for taxes imposed other than for revenue. Elasticity. The tax system should be elastic. The revenue should increase or decrease with an increase or decrease in the national income. Simplicity. Taxes and the tax system should be understandable to the ordinary persons. Diversity. Tax should be spread among various classes of persons so that a large number section person directly or indirectly are obliged to contribute to national exchequer. Progressive tax. A progressive tax is a tax which is imposed considering the ability of an individual to pay. For example, income tax. The rate of taxation rises with the increase in income. Higher the income, higher is the rate of taxation. Progressive tax is favored because it is based on principle of equity and is powerful tool for reducing inequality. However, sometimes it retards capital formation, hampers social welfare and is subversive to reward of hard work. Proportional tax. A proportional tax is levied on all levels of income at an uniform rate. It is always in proportion to the income or property. For example, if the tax rate is 5% on property, all the persons will have to pay at 5% irrespective of the income and therefore nobody will be spared. Indirect taxes like VAT are normally proportional as any buyer irrespective of income pays the same tax. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.